Alright guys, this is Cody with Wrangler Barn. Got for sale today a set of factory TJ doors that'll fit 97 to 06 Wrangler. They're green in color and they have black, dark gray interior door panels. Normally a set of doors, I sell every set I get out of here for $1,000 bucks. The passenger's door is good condition, no issues. The driver's door has a little, got pushed in, a little ding right there, but it's something that the door is functional and would be pretty easy to fix. So I'm going to knock $300 bucks off the price of these doors for that. So you're looking at $700 for the set. So if you're interested in these doors, give me a call at 503-757-2266, or you can send me an email at wranglerbarn@gmail.com. And as always, if you're looking for used OEM parts for 97 to 06 Wranglers, give me a call. I stock thousands of parts and I have most things here. So thanks for watching and see you soon.